FLINTpro enables you to simulate land cover change and related greenhouse gas emissions explicitly through time and space. Spatial data define the vegetation type, standing biomass, and productivity of the land. Additional data adds more detail. Spatial time series data informs FLINTpro how the land changes over time and whether it was affected by management interventions or bushfires. FLINTpro uses this information to generate coherent carbon stock values and fluxes through time and for each pixel within a simulation area. Here is a simple example. If a pixel changes from forest to non-forest, the carbon of the living biomass is removed. It turns into dead wood and enters the life cycle of wood products. Carbon in dead wood partly emits as carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and partly cycles through the soil. If the pixel changes back to forest in one of the following years, a new forest starts to grow, sequestering carbon from the atmosphere. FLINTpro simulates these processes simultaneously for all pixels in the simulation area, allowing you to produce results specific to any area of interest.